For today's easy recipe, I will show you how to make chocolate cupcakes topped with the delicious silky chocolate buttercream. In a large bowl, combine 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of cocoa powder, 1 cup of granulated white sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Whisk this until everything is well combined. In a separate bowl or a measuring cup, combine 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 1/2 cup of whole milk, 1 large room temperature egg, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Whisk this until everything is well combined and then add into your dry mixture. You can use your whisk or a spatula to stir this just until everything is incorporated. And as always, the full recipe and all of these instructions can also be found down below. Now we need to add in 1/2 cup of fresh hot coffee. If you don't want to use coffee, you could also just use hot water. However, the coffee really brings out the cocoa chocolate notes. Now you'll want to whisk this until everything is combined and your batter is nice and smooth. Now we will line a 12-count cupcake pan with liners, and we're going to spoon this batter evenly into the liners. You want these to be about 2/3 full, and this recipe will make exactly 12 cupcakes. These are going to bake in an oven preheated to 325 Fahrenheit or 160 Celsius for 17 to 20 minutes. Take them out of the pan as soon as they are cooled enough to handle so that the wrappers don't pull away from the cupcakes. While these finish cooling, we're going to make some chocolate buttercream. In a large bowl, cream 1 cup of room temperature butter for 1 to 2 minutes until it's nice and smooth and creamy. Add 1/3 of a cup of sifted cocoa powder. It's important to sift so that you don't have any lumps. We're going to mix this on low for about 30 seconds or so, or until it's incorporated. Now we need to make sure that we are scraping down the sides of our bowl throughout this process so all of the ingredients get incorporated. Now we will add in 1 cup of powdered sugar, and we're just going to mix this on low until all of that is combined. Now we'll add in our 2nd cup of powdered sugar, and we're going to continue mixing on low again until all of that powdered sugar is incorporated. Now we'll add in our final cup of powdered sugar, and this time you're going to want to beat this for 2 to 3 minutes on medium-low so that you get a nice thick frosting. Add 1 tablespoon of milk. If your butter was very soft, you may not need it, and if you need more milk, just add until it's your desired consistency. Move to a piping bag fitted with your favorite tip. I'm using a number 2D here to pipe rosettes on the top. And that's how you make chocolate cupcakes with chocolate buttercream. If you have enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate it so much if you would like or subscribe, and I hope that you'll join me next week for a new easy recipe. Thanks for watching.